I want to make bun today and I could not because I didn't have no browning. So I called up my father at Jamaica and I said, Daddy, I need to make some bun. And what we need again? And he told me exactly what I needed. And I said to him, can we use molasses? He's like, no, you can't use no molasses. You need browning. So I go to the shop then, couldn't find no browning. So I decided, okay, me not take sugar, but I remember how we do the browning. Jamaica, thank you. I come home and I'm going to show you how we do the browning, alright? So, guys, I went out to buy browning today because I did have this feeling for bun, Jamaican bun. I'm going to add a browning. I call my daddy and him says, me need browning. So, I go out to go look for browning. I don't get none. So, I buck up on this sugar. I don't buy sugar. I don't use sugar. But I need the sugar to make my browning. Brown sugar, yeah? Cane brown sugar. So, I buy the sugar. And I want to come see how I make my browning. For make me bun tonight. So, I make browning. Because I'm run out of browning. So I think I saw you do it. You throw the sugar. I don't normally take sugar, but let's throw the little sugar in. And because me I make browning is made with cane sugar or dark Demerara sugar. So I'm just gonna add a bit of water to it and see if this kickstart the process. I'm not sure. I can try it and see. It gets me. I'm going to use a spoon. And then this now, I think I need a little bit more water. One thing. I think so to kickstart the burning. Yes, I think so. And then we're just going to leave him. See him get dark already. I have to open up the door because boy, the alarm will go off. You get me? Add a little bit more water to it. You don't want to add too much, it become too watery or too liquidy. I got the same thing. I'm going to make the sugar caramelize now. Caramelize. That's all. See, it might get darker. It might get darker. Yeah, man, me run out of browning. So if me make this and it work, then me make some more. You don't need a lot because I just want loaf of bread me I make, but I need a good, like a good tablespoon amount. So I don't want this burn and turn bitter. So me go and watch it and, you know, go and do my thing. Trying to make this touch, you know, guys. That boy, me I tell you, you can get add water as you go along. Yeah. Yeah, because you don't want to fry out and turn dry. And we are look for browning, and browning is a liquid thing. When I get darker, people, I get darker now. Keep on stirring him like this. You don't want to dry out and burn up. Don't make this touch you do, you know. Christ Jesus. You hear that? Don't make it touch you. So just add your water as you go along. See my change? You see my change? And you need to catch this at the right stage too, because it will get thick and lumpy and resin like. You get me? Keep on doing this until you get the right color. Not long now, guys. Not long at all. That's looking good. You see it get brown? You see it get browner and browner? Alright. It's a transition. Stages in life. I want to call life stages. Make sure your fire high as well. No medium thing. You need to be high. But make sure so you watch it. And you turn in, yeah? Keep your door open as well. Because any minute now, things can just change. Get some more water. Just take your time, you know, don't rush. Take your time. I try to burn out the sugar as well. You get me? We have burn out the sugar. It's a come, man. It's a come. I don't want it to be sugary, you see, guys. Don't want it to be sugary. I don't want no sugar in my thing. I'm just trying to make browning. So when this, by the time this done, make no sweetness, not supposed to be in it. None. It's supposed to well bitter. You know? I don't want sugar. I don't want drops. And the drops me I make. A browning me I make. Guys, back in the days, this is not nothing for me to make. This was 1-2-1-2. But now if you're gonna know memory bank, it was just right at the front for, you know, if you take up and use. But you see, because I elevate myself and come a foreign, and now me have to go back in at the memory bank for try and, you know, redeem myself. So me a Jamaican. Isa, almighty God, nearly most me drop off of the anyways. So normally you'd put more sugar in a heat and it'd be thicker. So yes or no, you just gonna leave it to make it just burn out, and then all of a sudden you just gonna see it just turn to browning. It just gonna happen so quickly. And this is the part where it used to be stink and smoky and you have to go to do with it. I like that. God, even if I touch this right now, boy, that's in heaven no one to know. I'm not gonna scream. Look, I don't want it like this. This is like dropsy looking. I don't want it like that. See around I saw burn now? Yes! This is what I'm looking for, guys. You see that? Hopefully it not set off the fire alarm. They just open up the door then, Joe. So I can tip a little water in there. Open this door. I don't want the alarm go off. See it there? And it smell like browning now, guys. See in there? This is my memory. Hopefully it's right. See in there, guys? Tip a little water. That's it. You have to be careful. You have to know. You hear? See him there? You see him? You have to be careful. You have to know, guys. You see him? Yes, that's so hot. Not telling a lie. Make sure I use a bigger spoon. Now you have to add your water to it. See him there? Use a big spoon, guys. Don't follow me. Don't follow me. I couldn't go buy the browning, man. The shop they're too far this morning. I don't want to make bun. So this is how, you know, we are going to do it. That's it. Open up the door, them people. See him there? See him there? Can turn on the fire now. See him there? I don't know, soya sauce this. It's a browning, old school ways. This is how my mother teach me to make the browning. When we run out and we need the chicken, pick up on the fire. You get me? See there? in there. And I can cook some more as well. You see it? You can't see it? You can't see it? See in there? You might get to be browning. You see it? Browning. That's what we need. Browning we are looking for today. And when this finish, it's not supposed to be sugary or clumping together. It's not supposed to be resinous. It's supposed to be liquidy. That's a browning you make. Alright. And remember guys, the more sugar you add, the darker it will become. Some people will say, oh, it look like soy sauce. That's alright. Just add more sugar to it and it become more darker, alright? But you have to burn out the sugar, so you have to add it before this. Natural browning. I don't do sugar anymore. No, me know me to do with it. I'm just adding a bit more water to it because I need more than a tablespoon of browning. Guys, sometimes it don't come out as thick, but sometimes it does. So if the memory, then we have a nice consistency in a browning. But if the memory not memory, Lord, it's a go tough up for me. Yeah, so I don't know if we add a little bit of oil in there or something to make it, you know, supple and thin. And may have to add some oil in a heat to make it stick up and turn. What you call it now? Resin. You get me? You don't want no resin in here. And this is the exact steam I look for, so that's why them used to do it outside. Them used to do it outside in the opening, because it's smoky. You get what I'm saying? I think this finished. I think this finished. Oh. Some splash me about. Burn your fat. Me think this finished. What I think? You're not supposed to sweet at all. It smell bitter. Alright, me turn down the fire now, guys. Because I don't want it to tingy no more. I don't want it to go no more. I just tip a little bit more water in there. But we need to make sure so all of the sugar come out, you see, because it will get thick up again. I don't want to get too thick. But even if this get thick, guys, what me do, me just throw hot water on it, you know? I'm melting down. But that's it. That's how I make my browning. I don't want to tip no oil in there because the oil will just go up on the top of the thing. I want to make sure so everything burn out and cook out. And there's no more. You see those we are fried on the top? Those are sugar still. Those are sugar still, so I can't really turn it off yet because those are going to set like drops. See that? So when those stop now, is when those little bubbles stop, that's when you know say your browning ready. And a Jamaican right now, would I come show you how him do it and get it a different way. But since I go for 26 years of memory, I can't complain. Alright? Trust me. And then I go put it in on my bun when it cool down and thing. You can use this to brown up your, you know, your meat. You get what I'm saying? You meat and thing. Alright, let me show you. How that smell? Like something that burn. I mean, it smells so. That smell like piece of dumpling. You know, a dumpling up on pot on cold stove or rock stone. Let me try and taste him. Alright, I'm gonna put him on something and see if him get hard. Alright. Put on this. I'm gonna run. Let me taste him. Jesus Christ, he bitter. Ow! That is so bitter. Browning. Definitely browning, guys. No sugar, no left. You can burn it out a bit more if you want to, but this is it now. That's it. Wow, that is so bitter. You wanna taste it? Yeah, you can get it darker if you don't want, guys. You can get it darker, alright? It can be darker than this, depending on how much water you add to it. But true, me I do it for the video, I don't want to get too thick. You know, some people just add a little bit of water to it and don't add no more. They make it burn right down and become a paste. But then sometimes that paste become too thick. It become resin-like. So this is how me water mine out. You don't have to water it out like this, but this is how me do mine. I'm going to throw it in our container when it's cool. And then me come back and show you, alright? But definitely, and see, you wipe off at the spoon bottom. So, alright, it's a good look. Guys, we're done. This is my browning. See it? This is my browning to make. And it's thick enough. But with the hair, so you have to watch it now to make sure so it not get solidified. Alright. But yeah, this is my homemade browning. Boy, you never know until you remember, you know. Because when you're in a situation and then you realize that you have, you know, skills. And I'm going to show you how I use it later on, okay? Alright, guys. I'm your girl, Nix. And I'll see you on the next one, alright? This is me making my homemade browning. Come run out of browning. So you want to show now how me do it. Alright? This is how the water look, guys. So homemade browning, alright? And that is it, guys. Browning ready for anything you know want to do. Stew, chicken stew, fish, brown this, brown that, fruit cake, bun, anything you want for brown. You can do it at home. Try save some costs. Cut it down. So, I show you how to do the browning. Now, I gonna show you how to use the browning. So follow me for the next video. I'm gonna show you how I put the browning in my bun and how the bun tastes good. So come and join me, alright? And don't forget, press the button down there. Yeah? And yeah, I'm gonna see you on the next one. Thank you. Bye.
But take a screenshot of your IG, so when them say you a street, you know I might do that. Full up a style.